So I've been posting Facebook Reels for 3 months now. So how much money have I made? What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringing Out. In this video, I'm gonna keep it all the way real and share with you how much money have I made from Facebook Reels bonus play program. Now, keep in mind, Facebook has like a couple different monetization programs. I'm not involved with the one with the ads that come out. I get paid for that. I'm just involved with the bonus play, and that's pretty much you get paid for the views that you receive on your Facebook Reels. All right. So I will say, when I first started with Facebook Reels, my only real goal was to drive traffic to my offers, right? To the things that I promote. That was ideally, what I was trying to do. Then I found out you can start earning some extra cash from the views that you get from your reel. So I'm like, wait a minute. I mean, this don't hurt, right? So, I got accepted into the bonus play program. And how much have I made so far? All right. You ready? You ready to find out? So far, after 3 months posting Facebook Reels, I have earned a whopping $30. Now hold the hell on. I know what you're thinking. What? Come on, dude. I'm trying to watch videos where they're making $5 grand, 10 grand a month. You talk about you made $30 from Facebook Reels, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. You ain't serious. But I am serious, right? I'm gonna tell you why. First of all right, $30 is $30. All right, that's $30. But secondly, I'm about to turn up over there on Facebook Reels. Like, I kind of been, dibble dabbling over on Facebook Reels. I ain't gonna lie, I just seeing how it works, seeing how the lay of the land is, seeing what the earning potential is, whoop-de-whoop, right? So I'm not mad at that $30. Keep in mind, I was really just using Facebook Reels to, like I said, drive traffic to my YouTube videos and my offers. All right. But now I'm like, all right, I see what's going on here. All right. I know what I need to do. All right. So I'm excited to share this information with you. Right. I'm proud to tell you, damn it, I made $30 from Facebook Reels, because I'm going to do another video maybe in a month or two. And I'm confident that number is going to be a lot higher. Now, with the Facebook Reel bonus play program, you can only make maximum of $1,200 a month. No matter how good your videos do, you can only make up to $1,200. Now, am I going to get to that level? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I just got to go hard. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm pretty confident that I'm going to make more than $30 in the next 3 months doing Facebook Reels, unless they make some crazy rules or something like that. I should be making a lot more money. But keep in mind, the real benefit I'm getting from Facebook Reels is driving traffic, right? I talked about this in another video, but I use Facebook Reels to get people to my YouTube videos and whatever I'm promoting. And if you're one of them people that's like involved with affiliate marketing, network marketing, and you're not using Facebook Reels, I ain't talking about YouTube Shorts. I'm not talking about TikTok. I ain't even talking about Instagram Reels. I'm talking about Facebook Reels. If you're not using them, I highly suggest you jump on, get started, just throw some stuff up there and just see what happens. All right. Now, if you want to check out the money-making opportunities that I promote in my Facebook Reels, all you need to do is check out the links in the description of this video and in the pinned comment.